Kia ora, Amber from JB here, and I'm super excited to share that KitchenAid has landed at JB Hi-Fi. Ready to take your kitchen game up a notch? With stylish designs and serious power, KitchenAid is here to change the way you cook. Come check out the iconic stand mixers, blenders and more. Whether it's grandma's famous pab or dad's legendary barbecue rissoles, KitchenAid is all about bringing people together through amazing food. Let's check out what's in store. First up, the Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer KSM195. With a 4.7 litre bowl, 10 speeds and 5 handy accessories, this mixer makes whipping, kneading and mixing a breeze. You can even add attachments to turn it into a pasta maker, ice cream maker, food grinder and more. And for extra peace of mind, it comes with a 5-year warranty. Need something bigger? The Artisan Bowl Lift Stand Mixer KSM70 is 1.5 times more powerful and holds 40% more, with a huge 6.6 litre stainless steel bowl. It's got 11 speeds, including a gentle fold setting, so you can mix, knead and shred with precision. Plus it works with the same great attachments. For quick chopping jobs, the 3.5 cup food chopper is your go-to. It's compact, lightweight and perfect for chopping, mixing and pureeing. The easy pour spout and dishwasher safe parts make cleanup simple, while 2-speed settings help you get the perfect consistency. Chunky salsa or smooth hummus, your call. If you need more power, the 9-cup food processor has 3 speeds and you can chop, slice, knead and puree just about anything, including mincing meat in 10 seconds. It even has a whisk accessory for whipping up fresh butter and cream. All accessories store neatly inside, so no messy kitchen drawers. KitchenAid also has your everyday essentials sorted. The variable temperature kettle lets you set the perfect heat for your tea or coffee, with a quiet boil and a handy chime when it's ready. The Design Collection toaster has extra wide slots, 6 browning settings, and handy functions like bagel mode, reheat, and a little longer button for that perfect crunch. Everything I've mentioned so far comes in KitchenAid's classic Empire Red, with extra colour options available. For ultimate cordless convenience, check out the KitchenAid Go range. Powered by a single interchangeable battery, sold separately, that works across the range, you can whip up your favourite meals anywhere. The cordless hand blender runs for 30 minutes on a single charge, so you can blend soups and smoothies anywhere. The cordless hand mixer has 7 speeds, stir slowly, whip fast and everything in between. Plus it runs for 60 minutes. And the cordless 5-cup food processor makes prep effortless with a whisk accessory for light and fluffy mixes. So whether you're a passionate home cook or just want to make meal prep easier, KitchenAid has you covered. From powerful stand mixers to versatile food processors and cordless essentials, there's something for every kitchen. Shop the range today by heading in-store or online at jbhifi.co.nz.